Do you know why they call me Drill Sarge? They call me Drill Sarge because today I'm going to teach you group of pussies how to survive high school. Step 1, right, this is the most important step of all, securing the location. As soon as you hear that bell ring, you want to get from point A to point B within seconds, preferably 3. Now you may think that this is silly, but this is a life or death situation. Step number 2, cutting class. You always want to cut class, because nothing is more important than smoking pot in the toilets with the boys. Step number 3, remind the teachers of homework. Doing this will guarantee make you popular, and everyone will love you, even your crush. Snitches get bitches, bro. Step number 4, always, and I mean always, talk smack to the essays. This is such an alpha move that no one will ever mess with you, and you'll guarantee a top spot in the essay hierarchy. Step number 5, call the sports teacher out on everything. Never let your guard down near the sports teacher either, because sports teachers are just sweaty pedophiles in school clothes. Step number 6, bully the emo kids. Right, this will increase your kill streak massively. This is such an alpha move, but this is just too powerful, so only use it if you know how to. Step number 7, get with the wrong crowd, always. No one will have your back more than the druggies at school, because these are the nicest, scratchiest people alive. Step number 8, you want to pull as many all-nighters in a row as you can, okay? The more you get, the more popular you'll get, because the more unhealthier your lifestyle is, the more friends you'll ever make. Step number 9, have no best friends. In fact, you want to have one best friend, and that's the quiet kid. You only need the quiet kid. He's the funniest, and you won't die. That's the only reason why you should have the quiet kid as your friend. And step number 10, right, this is the most important. This will get you so far in life. This will get you from maybe having no bitches to all the bitches, and that's subscribing to me. This is incredibly powerful, and you'll get all the chicks, you know, even some dudes if you're into that, or even if you're not into that. It's just such a great move. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. This video was made because someone requested it in the comments. Hope you have a good one. Yes, I know this was short, but you know, life's short. So